Three Lukes.
We are playing Star Wars, Angry Birds, Star Wars,
Jenga, the Death Star game.
Yay!
Ooh. Okay,
Here is what it looks like.
That's what Jack built. He's a very great creator.
Yeah, you got a pig.
Do you?
Yeah.
Does that mean you get to keep it?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, look at the pigs. Darth Vader is seeking out the little bit there.
Okay, Bradley, your
Alright,
turn.
your turn. Alright.
Okay, Brad, go on.
Hello.
Right. That's two Lukes. Two Lukes.
Thank you.
2 Lukes. Come on. Luke.
Come on, Luke. Use the force and run.
Luke, I like Chewbacca.
May the Force be with you!
I like Chewbacca because he's nice and big and heavy.
Go to the
Yeah.
Dagobah
Because it-
system.
Boom.
It's in number 5.
That counts. One more go. One more go.
Oh my god.
Epic fail!
Epic fail.
Okay, one more go.
You missed it completely.
I know. Run. Run to the Dagobah.
Okay,
Great.
Jack,
I'll
you
take
go.
it. I'll take it.
No.
No, I'll take it.
Okay, let
Jack.
Okay.
Jack, shush.
One Chewbacca then. One Chewbacca. I like Chewbacca because he's like really heavy.
Yeah, I'm fat.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's fat.
So it'll
See what he gets.
And
Okay.
he's very
It'll be-
cool. He got his.
Alright, you'll have it back now. That is your
no, I'll hold
turn
it. I want to see it. I wanna
Okay.
Yeah, we're taking turns.
Two of these.
2 of what? Oh, you got
That's
2 loops
Luke.
again. Hey, I can't see it. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Yo!
Didn't get anything. Nearly got that stormtrooper though.
Pig Trooper.
What?
We call them Pig Troopers.
Big troopers.
Yeah, big trooper.
They mean
My turn. My turn. Oh, my pig. I got 2
I'm
the one in the lead.
Yeah, you.
yeah, I think because you're the only one that's like broke all that. You broke all that.
Oh, I got a pig. I've got one more turn. Or if I get.
Oh, I need to turn this.
You have to try. You have to try and get this bit. You have to try and get.
10,000 points.
Do you?
I've got one.
Yeah.
That means
Wait,
you actually just win.
How much are the stormtroopers? 1,000. Oh, I've got 1,000 points then. Yeah, I have.
You have 1,000 points. I have 0 points.
Oh my! Where's that
failed.
going? Where's that going? It's here.
Here, Jack.
Where is it going to, boy? Where is it going?
Oh, I got another.
One Chewbacca again.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
see what he
You
gets.
get 5,000 like I'm gonna die.
Oh my God. Oh, come on, Chewbacca. Speak to me. Why are you so mad? Chewbacca.
Chewbacca.
Okay, good, Chewbacca. Good.
Ah!
Oh my God.
I did.
Okay, Bradley, it's my turn.
Like this.
Alright, what did you get?
That's 2 Han Solos.
Where is it? Where is it?
They have the Han Solo already.
2 Han Solo.
Han Solo.
You're dead man, Solo.
Dead man. I didn't get anything. You're the dead man Solo. That's how you do it.
You're the dead man, Solo.
Oh, that's what happens in Force Awakens.
Yeah.
You're a dead man, Solo.
You're the dead man.
Solo.
No, this is how
Is
it.
that what the Chinese said?
You're the dead
No,
man,
it wasn't.
Solo.
It wasn't the Chinese. It wasn't Cancer Club.
What was it?
Cancer Club.
You're the dead man, Solo.
You're a dead man, Solo.
You're the dead man, Solo.
No, guys, let me tell you something.
You're the
Cancer
dead
Club
man.
said this. You're a dead man, Solo.
It wasn't Cancer Club. Oh, I got 2 ones. It was Cancer Club. It wasn't Cancer Club.
Who was it then?
It was the one.
Was it Han
Cancer
Solo himself?
It wasn't Cancer Club.
It was Han Solo, wasn't it?
No! Get me Han Solo. I've got one more go. Right, guys, this is Jack. I get it. I get it.
my turn.
Can we start now?
Okay, come on.
Please.
You're a dead man solo. You're a dead man solo. You're a dead man solo. I have got to say sense. You're dead man solo. No! I nearly got Darth Vader!
Oh, you got one more turn, don't you?
No, I don't. If you break that down, you get 1 million points. If you break the Death Star down, you get. Bradley, you go get that now.
Okay, whoever. Okay, it's my turn, Jack.
Alright.
Jack.
Wait, I need to go get on Solo, just in case. Okay, Bradley's in the way. Oh, you're
Where'd
bad.
it go?
Yeah, 2 Han Solos.
Where don't Solo go?
No.
Go, Han Solo.
Alright.
Go, Han Solo. Right, it went under the bed. Oh, I see it. I see it down there.
Alright, we'll do an interview
See down
of
there.
these while we're doing that. It's a look all the way around.
Well, it's so easy.
Stop.
I've got it done. Han
Don't
Solo.
need to hold it.
And then Chewbacca.
Let go. Let go.
And then, last but not least, we need Darth Vader because you've already done the Stormtrooper.
Darth Vader. I've had this game over 5 years.
Whoa.
You
almost got the snout. I almost got the snout.
Snap.
3, 1. Oh my god.
Okay, my turn.
Stormtrooper.
No, my turn.
Okay.
Blah,
so,
blah, blah,
Where's
blah.
the thing?
Nice.
Hey, where you going? You're getting in the way, Naked Jack.
Blow kiss. No blow. Just
Everybody
Blow
blow
good
it.
blow. Good luck. Thank you. 2. This is not bad. 2 loops.
Oh yeah, 2 loops aren't bad.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god! One more Luke.
That's, oh my god, look at that hole.
What? Alright, my turn.
You're a
I got
dead man solo.
Guys, look at that big hole.
Hey, stop taking my Stormtrooper. I just went.
Oh, Jack, you missed that.
Alright, I get 3 on solos. Okay, I'll just put these back up.
You almost got that Stormtrooper right there. Jack, look at that massive hole.
No! I need 2 more!
You went through the hole. What's that Solo? You're a dead man Solo.
It's like this. You're a dead man solo. I've got a dead man solo.
Who said it then? Who said it?
That
Was it?
Scottish guy. Yeah, the Scottish guy.
Oh, the Welsh guy. Yeah, the Welsh people.
Oh my god.
Stop.
I'm getting angry. No, look. Do you think we should just start again?
No, I don't care.
Stop, Bradley.
It's really cool.
Right. Should we play? Alright.
No.
Let's start it again. Pause it and we will start it again.
No.
Because Bradley keeps on wrecking it. We'll see how, let them see how you make it. Because that will be a really good thing for them. Yeah? Right, you want to see?
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, if you want to see... Okay, we'll just tell.
Alright.
Okay, we'll start
I'll
the...
make it. Say in the comments if Jack was actually really good. Say in the comments. That's a good idea.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm Jack, by the way. Yeah. Jack.
And that's Bradley.
And then this is me, Bradley, and then that is Jeffrey.
Everybody knows who I am.
Oops, we didn't see you. And see the other videos, please.
I mean,
But this
that is Jeffrey.
This has been the best day ever because we've had a sleepover and soon we're gonna have pancakes.
Pancake video. Pancake video.
And we're still in our pajamas. PJs.
And it's 6 o'clock. Ow.
Bradley, where's the slide on thing? What you had? What slide on thing?
What slide on thing?
So then you can. I wasn't the last one who had it. It was him.
Actually, just
Oh, it's right behind me.
3, a 2, a 1. Let's show them.
Unpause it.
Okay. So
Showcase.
you need this and these 2 pieces for a start.
Blah, blah,
Yes.
blah. Don't care.
So
You put
you
the 2
slide
pieces.
them on.
Then you don't have
Like
to
that.
tell them. Like, just do it.
They said, Jack said we could tell them. So you have
Like
to.
that?
No, stop.
So then that should go like that.
Yes.
And then slide this one on exactly the same. Wait a minute, please.
And it's like little like block things. You have to stick them together.
Yeah. And then you
You
have
need to show them. You can't.
stick
You can't really
these
see it. Can you?
top together, 2 together, which I think I just ruined it.
Wait,
Yeah, I think you-
I'll pause it.
Okay.
Wait, are people actually watching our stuff?
Yes.
How much hits have we got? Like 1 hit.
No.
How much hits have we got? Like 1,000 hits.
From all those videos we've done, we've got 2 subscribers.
2. That's
Yes.
quite a lot. 2 is not a lot.
Yeah, but we'll.
Oh, in 2 days.
Though.
Yeah.
That's a lot for 2 days.
Maybe somebody subscribed us yesterday, and then we subscribed, and then another person subscribed us today.
Or maybe it was the same person, but just a different episode.
No, but they haven't. No, but they subscribed, but they have a different account. It's just maybe it could just be the same person, but they.
Okay, say it.
I am.
So that
Put that on. Yeah.
That should go like that.
Yeah, it goes like that, and you see
And
that. You see all the blocks
you-
and everything.
you
Yeah.
find the lines like this.
Start at the bottom.
And it's always start at the bottom.
Yeah.
If it starts at the top, then it will just fall down.
Yeah.
So you do it like this.
Yeah.
Like all steady and
So all
slowly
the
you
white
go.
ones, all those white blocks, that's where the pigs are supposed to go.
Yeah, like that. Look, because those are pigs.
So that's
And the top one is supposed to be Darth Vader.
Yeah, and the black.
Darth
At the top.
Vader.
Yeah.
At the top is Darth Vader.
Imagine somebody shot him like boom.
Okay, so need another 2. What? Oh yeah, this is taken for ages.
It has
So
to.
just-
Anyway, long videos are the best.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And we
So I can only
couldn't finish that other game, but
What other game?
it got teared up a little bit because we kept on.
Oh,
rolling
what
it.
was it? What was it?
It was the other one.
The Lego
We-
one.
No, this one.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Oh
okay,
yeah,
yeah.
sorry for that one.
Because Bradley just kept on punching it.
For
And,
a treat, for a sorry saying, for a sorry saying, we're gonna let you watch us
Yeah.
see our pancakes and everything.
Yeah, in the
See what
next
they
we're
do.
video.
gonna have a blog.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
gonna be a lot of pancakes because there's only 3 of us. 3 people having a big mixture is a lot of pancakes to them.
Yes,
We
but
might have about, like, 6.
Bradley.
Yeah.
My mum has she has only a little bit of the mixture.
Then we'll only get about
2.
3 of each.
No, 2 pancakes.
2 pancakes each, but
Alright.
she can make more mix. She has like.
So, guys, you know all those black marks?
Yeah.
You have to try and make some of them. You have to make them. I think some people might know.
No. Oh yeah, pig. Piggy, oh wiggy, oh
I
wiggy,
got my
wiggy,
piggy.
wiggy.
Okay, I think we should just end this video.
No.
Just pause it. Just pause it whilst I'm building it.
Okay, guys, Jack has to start all over again, so I just think we just end the video.
No, we should. Wait, is it still on?
Yes.
Alright,
Just pause it.
No, they will take for ages.
It won't.
No, I know what to do. We need to let's play a different.
Okay, that's
game.
the end of this video.
No, we're packing this up and pausing it. Right, pause it.
No.
Pause it.
No, separate video.
Pause it. I will throw these at you.
Ow, my face. Okay, that's the end of this video then. That's the end of this video. Goodbye. Oh my god, stop that.
Say what we should do next.
We've got all these games. Connect 4, Mousetrap.
We've got.
Guess Who, Monopoly,
and
Lego.
We've got Star Wars Lego Brickmaster. We've got Monopoly. We've got Connect.
All those. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.